Pumpkin is a type of winter squash that belongs to the cucurbitaceae family. While commonly viewed as a vegetable, pumpkin is scientifically a fruit, as it contains seeds. That said, it's nutritionally more similar to vegetables than fruits. Beyond its delicious taste, pumpkin is nutritious and linked to many health benefits. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you impressive nutrition and health benefits of pumpkin. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Number 1. It's highly nutritious and particularly rich in vitamin A. Pumpkin has an impressive nutrient profile. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin or 245 grams contains the following: calories 49, fat 0.2 grams, protein 2 grams, carbs 12 grams, fiber 3 grams, vitamin A 245% of the reference daily intake, vitamin C 19%, potassium 16%, copper 11%, manganese 11%, and vitamin B12 11%, vitamin E 10%, and iron 8% of the reference daily intake. Small amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, folate, and several B vitamins are also available. Besides being packed with vitamins and minerals, pumpkin is also relatively low in calories as it is 94% water. It's also very high in beta-carotene, a carotenoid that your body turns into vitamin A. However, pumpkin seeds are edible, nutritious, and linked to numerous health benefits. We will get into the health benefits of pumpkin seeds in another video. Number 2. It may reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Free radicals are molecules produced by your body's metabolic process. Though highly unstable, they have useful roles such as destroying harmful bacteria. However, excessive free radicals in your body create a state called oxidative stress, which has been linked to chronic illnesses including heart disease and cancer. Pumpkins contain antioxidants such as alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and beta-cryptoxanthin, and these can neutralize free radicals, stopping them from damaging your cells. Test tube and animal studies have shown that these antioxidants protect the skin against sun damage and lower the risk of cancer, eye disease, and other conditions. However, keep in mind that more human-based research is needed to make health recommendations. Number 3. It may boost immunity. Pumpkin is loaded with nutrients that can boost your immune system. For one, it's high in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Studies show that vitamin A can strengthen your immune system and help fight infections. Conversely, people with a vitamin A deficiency can have a weaker immune system. Pumpkin is also high in vitamin C, which has been shown to increase white blood cells production, help immune cells work more effectively, and make wounds heal faster. Aside from the 2 vitamins mentioned above, pumpkin is also a good source of vitamin E, iron, and folate, all of which have been shown to aid the immune system as well. Number 4. It may protect your eyesight. It's quite common for eyesight to diminish with age. Fortunately, eating the right nutrients can lower your risk of sight loss. Pumpkin is plentiful in nutrients that have been linked to strong eyesight as your body ages. For instance, its beta-carotene content provides your body with necessary vitamin A. Research shows that vitamin A deficiency is a very common cause of blindness. In an analysis of 22 studies, scientists discovered that people with higher intakes of beta-carotene had a significantly lower risk of cataracts, a common cause of blindness. Pumpkin is also one of the best sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 compounds linked to lower risk of age-related macular degeneration or AMD and cataracts. Additionally, it contains good amounts of vitamins C and E, which function as antioxidants and may prevent free radicals from damaging your eye cells. Number 5. It may promote weight loss. Pumpkin is considered a nutrient-dense food. That means it's incredibly low in calories despite being packed with nutrients. In fact, pumpkin clocks at under 50 calories per cup or for 245 grams and consists of about 94% water. Simply put, pumpkin is a weight loss friendly food because you can consume more of it than other carb sources such as rice and potatoes but still take in few calories. What's more, pumpkin is a good source of fiber which can help curb your appetite. Number 6. It may lower your risk of cancer. Cancer is a serious illness in which cells grow abnormally. Cancer cells produce free radicals to help them multiply rapidly. Pumpkin is high in carotenoids, which are compounds that can function as antioxidants. This allows them to neutralize free radicals, which may protect against certain cancers. For instance, an analysis of certain studies showed that people with higher intakes of alpha-carotene and beta-carotene had significantly lower risks of stomach cancers. Similarly, many other human studies have found that individuals with higher intakes of carotenoids have lower risk of throat, pancreas, breast, and other cancers. However, scientists aren't sure the carotenoids themselves or other factors such as lifestyle habits of those who consume diet rich in carotenoids are responsible for these lowered risks. Number 7. It may benefit heart health. Pumpkin contains a variety of nutrients that can improve your heart health. It's high in potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, which have been linked to heart benefits. For instance, studies have shown that people with higher potassium intakes appear to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of strokes, two risk factors for heart disease. Pumpkin is also high in antioxidants, which may protect bad or LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. When LDL cholesterol particles oxidize, they can clump along the walls of blood vessels, which can restrict your vessels and raise your risk of heart disease. Number 8. Promote healthy skin. Pumpkins are loaded with nutrients that are great for your skin. For one, it's high in carotenoids like beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. In fact, 1 cup or 245 grams of cooked pumpkin packs 245% of the required daily intake for vitamin A. The studies show that carotenoids like beta-carotene can act as a natural sunblock. Once ingested, carotenoids are transported to various organs including your skin. Here, they help protect the skin cells against damage from harmful UV rays. Pumpkin is also high in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin. Your body needs this vitamin to make collagen, a protein that keeps your skin strong and healthy. Moreover, pumpkins contain lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin E, and many more antioxidants that have been shown to boost your skin's defense against UV rays. Number 9. Incredibly versatile and easy to add to your diet. Pumpkin is delicious, versatile, and easy to add to your diet. Its sweet flavor makes it a popular ingredient in dishes like custards, pies, and pancakes. However, it works just as well in savory dishes such as roasted vegetables, soups, and pastas. Pumpkins have a very tough skin, so it requires some effort to slice. Once you cut it, scoop out the seeds and any stringy parts, then slice the pumpkin into wedges. The seeds are also edible and packed with nutrients which offer many other benefits. For instance, pumpkin seeds may improve bladder and heart health. The easiest way to eat pumpkin is to season it with salt and pepper and roast it in the oven, and many people also enjoy making it into pumpkin soup, especially during winter. But who shouldn't eat pumpkin? Pumpkin is very healthy and considered safe for most. However, some people may experience allergies after eating pumpkin. It's also considered mildly diuretic, which means eating a lot of pumpkin may induce a water pill-like reaction, increasing the amount of water and salt your body expels through urine. This effect may harm people taking certain medicines such as lithium. Diuretics can impair your body's ability to remove lithium, causing serious side effects. Although pumpkin is healthy, many pumpkin-based junk foods such as lattes, candies, and pre-fillings are loaded with added sugar. They do not offer the same health benefits as consuming the fruit. Well, viewers, there you have them, the health benefits of pumpkin. Share us your thoughts in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.